We all know mistakes in crypto's volatile market could be very costly. So let me, Joe Blow, share with you the top 5 crypto trading catastrophes that you can avoid. Let's consult the expert himself, Mr. Know-It-All, because here in Joe Blow's Crypto, we aim to save you from trading failures before you even encounter them. Hey, Mr. Know-It-All, I know you've been exploring crypto for a long time already. I bet that you have a lot to share when it comes to errors and learnings in trading.
I'm sorry, but are you calling me Ancient Joe?
Your words, Mr. K, not mine.
Yeah, whatever. At least I could be of service to you now. Especially that I have aced the mastery of getting better after making faulty decisions. Every crypto enthusiast's crypto night is not knowing what the future holds. So I guess that this is an equal playing field that we all are in.
Obviously, I want that mastery too. Now, I know that before I get there, I'd have to seek your advice first. Come on now, let me experience the mistakes through your lenses instead of committing it in my own actual trades.
Wise choice. Let us start with number 5. And I cannot stress this enough, is going into battle without educating yourself. You do not have to know it all, like me, but just research the recent news and charts of the cryptocurrency that you are about to buy or sell.
Oh yeah, I happened to see this one video of a dude doing live trades where he got confused because lines are moving up, yet he lost thousands of dollars in less than a minute. Guess what happened there?
Maybe we are thinking about the same guy, but was it because he was not aware what implied volatility was at that time? You see, he could have avoided that loss only if he dedicated a bit more time in covering his bases before starting that trade.
I'd definitely steer clear of that kind of blunder. Anyway, what's your next piece of advice?
The next common mishap, number 4 on our list that crypto traders do, is not knowing when to let go of the losing cryptos and when to hold a bit longer on the winning ones.
Please do explain it further.
Nobody has the absolute best portfolio out there, but you can still have ideal trades, better days, you know? It is really important to gauge the capacity of your own portfolio. Selling winning cryptos too early will result in you losing the chance to maximize the opportunity. You will earn, but will not experience the extent of it. On the other hand, it is much more necessary to know when you have to sell a losing one. I get that some people are holding off, hoping that the lines would go up again. That brings us to our next topic, number 3, not having a strategy.
Is there a specific strategy to know when to sell, hold, or buy that I did not know about?
I will not say specific per se. We all have different styles, priorities, and goals when it comes to trading. But what I am trying to say is that having your own strategy in dealing with wins and losses would help you big time. Additionally, there are common risk management tools available out there. This has been a very common tool for traders who want to minimize the damage that a volatile market can cause.
Okay, got it. I should have a strategy. Not only that, but I should not be ignoring risk management tools.
Many people do not bother to develop their own strategy. Maybe because it will take time to unlock what works for them, since I have mentioned that we have different criteria with our portfolios. I guess what I want you to learn is to set benchmarks and limitations to your trades so that you will know when to hold and when to sell.
Maybe we can talk more about that in the next videos. I definitely want to be at the top of my game regarding strategies.
You know you can always count on me, Joe. Anyway, another flaw that I myself have committed in the past is number 2, letting too many opinions confuse me in making my own decisions.
But I thought we learned best from gathering as much information that we can, and picking up lessons from other people's experiences as well.
Though that is right, studying other people's perspectives is far different than actually taking the same path that they are taking. You are here for your own experience. Your resources, buying power, and safety net are not the same as theirs. I've watched this man somewhere, also doing live trading. He lost some money because he kept on getting bothered by the comments of his viewers. It is easy to get distracted, especially when pressure from smart Alex are everywhere. Most of the time, you have to trust yourself and your own research when dealing with your own portfolio.
Yes, sir. My loss is not their loss, and my win would not also be their win.
Right to the point. You can gather and compare opinions and hearsays from other crypto enthusiasts, but keep in mind to separate your decisions from what they are claiming. This is a game of probabilities, Joe. You play your cards to the best of your knowledge. Not because you have me means that you will have all your answers.
Hold up there, old man. Thinking too highly of yourself now, huh? But seriously, I've been learning quite a lot with all our talks. Another question is, what do you do when you're not able to check off your goals during a trade?
Honestly, depends on the scenario. If I am about to risk a huge amount and should make a big decision, then I make sure that I have got a fallback plan for every possibility that might happen. Other times, I suck it up, learn, study where I went wrong, and move on. Because what can I do anyway?
Oh, I get it. That is actually another mistake that crypto traders make.
What exactly?
Getting all emotional on their trades.
Look at you educating me. But yeah, I agree with you. That brings us to our top common mistake that most traders commit is, number 1, greed, panic, fright. These are just some of the common emotions that could drive an investor or trader into a rabbit hole. You have probably noticed that some people are just riding the tide, going with the hype.
Oh yeah? Very common in the crypto market.
Many of them easily get influenced and rattled when seeing reds in the market, while others buy so much when the market is doing good. Those who know what they are doing would know how to turn a bad market into an opportunity. Isn't it also one of the ways why a lot of traders are earning thousands of dollars in just a few days? Because they analyze. They study if a cryptocurrency can bounce back from its low and then buy during that low, so that when the market recovers, they would gain a huge amount of profit as well.
Seems like these are just simple things that affect big technical stuff.
I know, right? Easier said than done all the time. Joe, I want you to also know that just because you are already aware of these mistakes does not mean that you would never be able to commit one in the future. The market is ever changing. More developments and projects will come out in the next months and years. You should always prepare but accept the fact that you would not be perfect in navigating this unpredictable terrain.
Now I thought we're not mixing emotions. Why do I feel like I'm being lectured by my father? Always a good day to talk to you, Mr. Know-It-All. And remember, you owe me that explanation about strategies. Looking forward to it.
Oh boy, this will never end, isn't it?
So to sum it all up, I should have the right knowledge about cryptocurrency in general. It is also my responsibility to analyze if I should hold on or sell any crypto in my portfolio. Additionally, a strategy will get me through the challenging times in the market. As much as I enjoy listening to other people's experience, at the end of the day, I do not have to follow all their suggestions. Finally, emotions could be my biggest hurdle in unlocking my trading goals, so I better not let it control my decision. I hope you enjoyed listening to Mr. Know-It-All as much as I do. If you want to learn more about crypto-related topics and discussions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on that bell to turn on your notifications. Join us in our next videos. No stones would be left unturned with me, Joe Blow, and of course, Mr. Know-It-All. We'll see you on our next one.